Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Contact the family organizer and tell them you want back in. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in on the device you'll use, with two-factor authentication enabled and the correct password ready. Once done, verify your device is updated to the latest OS and that a valid payment method exists if the group requires it. These prerequisites avoid delays and let you move straight to accepting the organizer's invite when they send it. When the organizer sends the invite, open the notification on the device where you're signed in and tap Accept. You'll see a prompt that explains what's shared, purchases, subscriptions, storage, and location, so read and confirm choices. If asked, agree to share a payment method. If you decline, some purchases may be blocked. Make sure to allow or adjust family controls like screen time and ask to buy. These settings finalize what's accessible once you rejoin. After accepting, go to Family Sharing Settings and confirm your name appears and you can access shared purchases and storage. If something fails, first sign out and sign back into your Apple ID, then accept the invite again. If that doesn't work, ask the organizer to revoke and resend the invite. Also check network, install OS updates, and verify the family hasn't reached the member limit. These steps resolve most problems. If still blocked, have the organizer review their account and payment settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.